In this lesson, we will expand the topic of generic methods that we covered in the previous lesson. In generic types, it is possible to make restrictions with the types that we will determine ourselves. In this way, when there is data entry related to the types we have specified, we are also allowed to define special methods for them. This time, there is no need to add anything to the end of the IMPI keyword. You should only write at the end of the struct. If you want, let's show it by writing. When there are two types of U8 entered here, we will able to use the methods we write in this implementation. Let's define an example method and examine the error when we run it together. We mentioned that there is a method that works only of the specified type. The reason for our error here is that the type of the second number is different from the specified one. Let's fix and run it again. In this way, specific implementations can be created for the types determined by us. These are called generic concrete types.